Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. So all fine? Yes. Yes, very, very good morning. Okay. Yes, breakfast completed. Tennano. Annam tennano, yes. What do you say? Annam or breakfast? Yes. No breakfast. Are first complete the breakfast. This is the 8:30. In this age, breakfast must be completed before 9. Meanwhile, you can complete. Okay, we'll do question as well as breakfast also. Okay. Meanwhile, we will be doing the questions, then we can complete. Yes. So today we have to do basically trigonometric graph, and in trigonometric graph only means sine and cos graph, because we are only interested in sine and cos graph. So sine and cos graph we'll be doing. Okay, variation in that, what type of variations are possible in the sine and cos. Will restrict to only sine and cos, and then we need to go for yes, in a small angle we have to do some questions. So that is the target for today, to do sine and cos graph as well as a small angle questions. Other graphs are there, like your rectangular hyperbola is there, parabola is there, that we can do with means after calculus also, means after differentiation as well as integration. So okay, Pesaratu, very, very good. So what I'm saying here, in the last class I have told to you, if you remember, cos up to 10 degree is always, cos up to 10 degree is always 1. Okay, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, cos 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree will take approximately 1. Okay, yes. Only sine and cos graph I will tell. There are so many graphs, okay, we'll be having, but okay, right now we'll restrict to the only trigonometric graph. So trigonometric graph you will not have any doubts. Okay, Chakradhar, today we'll finish trigonometric graph. After today class you will not have any fear in the trigonometric graph, sine and cos and variation, because these graphs we have to do in our chapters most of the time. Okay, then slowly we can learn some other graphs also. Okay, I'm not saying that we just once at time, okay, all the things, then stress will be there. So if we write if angle is small, if theta is small, then we can say if angle is small, then what we can say? If angle is small, then we can write sine theta equal to tan theta also equal to theta, means sine theta and tan theta both are theta. And you remember here, theta must be in radian. Okay, theta must be in radian. Okay, remember this thing, theta always. I don't remember that. Okay, I think this one I'm repeating almost maybe 1,000 times. When this class was started, I said this theta should be in radian. So many times I said this theta, where we are writing arc by radius, this theta should be in radian. We can say cos theta is basically equal to 1 up to the 10 degree. If okay, up to 10. But I have told you, I have given relaxation also, that we can write for 11 also if you don't have time. Suppose anywhere is coming your okay, we can go for 12 also. Relaxation is there, but you will get the approximated answer, not the exact answer. Okay, so if options are very close, very close, then we cannot go. In that case, they need to provide the values. They will be providing the values in the question itself, that sine 10 degree is this, sine 11 degree is this. Whatever value they will provide, that value only you will consider, whatever given in the question. If I say now I need to find value of, I'm writing here first question, that find value of sine 1 degree. This one you have to find. This is the question here. Find value of sine 1 degree. You can say sir, sine 1 degree, sine theta is equal to theta. Are sine 1 degree is not 1. I said sine theta equal to theta, but theta should be in radian. I can write sine 1 degree, okay, sine theta equal to theta. But this, what are the problem? This should be in radian. This must be in radian. Then only I can use sine theta equal to theta. Huh. It is not zero. It is not zero. Okay. It will be having some value. Okay. That will be close to zero, but we cannot say as zero. Okay. It will be very, 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 very less, but we have to find some value here. Okay. So you can say how I can convert. First of all, this is the main task here, to convert this degree into radian. And I said degree, radian, minute, seconds, all the conversion we have done now. Today again I will repeat those things. So we can say sine 1 degree is basically, I can write here 1 degree, how I can convert into pi by 180, I think. Is it clear to you? Can I put this way? Yes. Now you can see, yes, this thing is the basically, now this is the radian. This is 100% radian, and then we can write sine theta equal to theta. There is no issue, and theta should be in radian, and now we have converted in radian. So can I write sine 1 into pi by 180? What is the value of that one? Equal to how much? Sine theta, this is a theta, equal to pi by 180. Is there any doubt in this one? Pi by 180? Yes, over. Yes. Bhanu Prasad, any problem here? Okay. Can you tell me any other value also? Means we can freely write sine theta equal to theta. Okay, sine theta equal to theta. Only problem, okay, that you cannot write theta in the degree. You have to write always in the radian. Okay. Yes. Okay, Pawan is asking, sir, 10-8, how you will write? Okay, will you tell answer for Pawan question? Pawan is asking 10-8. Ready? All are ready now? Are this one clear now? We can write sine theta equal to theta, but theta should be in radian. This was the 1 degree. 1 degree we need to convert in the radian. So we can say for the conversion into radian, we can write always pi by 180. What will be the value of pi here? What value you will put for pi if you have to solve the question? What we will put value of pi? 3.14. Yes, very good. 3.14. Okay. 3.14 we will put. Okay. Okay. So now next question we are having here. Already some people giving answer. They sent me answer here for the 10-8 degree. Yes. 10-8 degree. We can write 10-8 h, then theta equal to theta. We can freely write, but theta should be in radian. This is the problem. You need to convert into radian, and once you are converting into radian, you got the answer. It should be converted into radian. Now we can say how we can write here this one 10, and this we can write 8. For the conversion into radian, it should be multiplied with always pi by 180. So now we can say that becomes how much? Yes. 2 pi by 45. You can cancel now here using, okay, 4 I can say. So this will be the 2 using 4 I can say. So 45. So we can say it becomes 10, 2 pi by 45. And now we know this thing is in radian. And whenever this is in radian, 10 theta is always equal to theta. 10 theta is always equal to theta. So we can say this becomes how much? This becomes equal to 2 pi by 45. You can put value 3.14 and we can get the approximated answer. Okay. You can use 22 by 7 also. 22 by 7. When you feel that 22 and 7, they can be cancelled approximately. We can take 22 by 7. Okay. So both values we can choose. Over. Can we go for next? One more question will you tell? Anyone having doubt? Is it necessary to put the value of pi? Listen, sometimes pi will be cancelled, but sometimes if not cancelled, suppose option they are giving in terms of pi, then there is no problem. In options they are giving answers in terms of pi, then no problem. But suppose they are not giving answer in terms of pi not cancelled, then you have to put. Okay. Right now I'm not saying you have to put, but you should know what to put. Okay. Because later on people forget and they put pi as 180. What do you have to do? Put pi at pi h 3.14. Okay. Yes. Done. Okay. Done. Next question we are having here. Okay. Some more I will ask. What do you say about this one? 10-5 degree answer. 10-5 degree. Now you got answer that idea that we can without pen also we can do 10-5 into pi by 180, pi by 36 is the answer. Yes, pi by 36. Are getting something? Or in the morning time this is not working? Working? this device is working. You have to use, okay, you know, already I said a lot of people don't use even 1% of the brain also, but they don't know how to use. Manual is not there. So we can say 10, 5 degree, we can write 5 into, this is the pi by 180, and we can write here in this one 10, and this becomes how much? 5 180 pi by 36. You got the answer here. Now we know this is the radian basically, and if this is the radian, then 10 theta will be equal to how much? Theta pi by 36. Okay, and when we'll be having the questions, yes, class is getting recorded, okay, on another computer. Yes, it is getting recorded. Okay, can we do one more question? One more. Okay, one more. Now if I ask what is the value of sine 4 degree, sine 4 degree, tell me answer fast. What is the answer? Answer, this much time you will take. Okay, Khyati gave an answer, Mahima gave an answer. No, I'm not. Now so many answers are coming, I cannot read all the names. Yes, Vishnupriya, you given the answer. You are visible on my screen. You can say yes, I have given the answer. Yes or not given? Okay, now so we can say here in this one, yes. Okay, very good. Okay, everyone got correct answer here in this one. Now I'm confident, you are confident, or you're okay, it is a different thing, but I'm confident that any small angle can you find in the trigonometry? Yes, some known angles are told to you, like 30, 45, 60, 37, 53. We can know these things. 15 degree, 75 degree, these also we can find. We can find even okay, more than 90 degree also. More than 90 degree also we can find. Even you can say, sir, more than 360 also we can find. If any angle is more than 360, then also we can find. Means in this okay, trigonometry, lot of angles we can find. Whatever is possible we can find. Okay, but suppose someone is saying, what is the 1025? Now this one, okay, either we can find approximately or we need the table. Okay, but whatever values are possible we can find. Okay, all the things. You can write this one, that first I can write this one as theta, but this should be in radian. So 4 into pi by 180, and you got these things so fast. Okay, yes, I'm quite surprised. I have not taken much efforts, and almost everyone is giving correct answer. Good thing. So we can say now we can write this one as sine pi by 45, because here we can cancel. I don't have this habit of cancelling in all the things directly. I can write here. So you need to understand this. Directly it came. We can say this is now radian here, and this one we can say directly now it is the pi by 45. But remember that pi by 45 value of pi will be 3.14 only. Okay, or 22 by 7 depending on if anything is cancelled. What do you say about this one then? What do you say about this one then? Cos 4. What do you say cos 4? Sir, I got 2 pi by 90, and 2 pi by 90 is same as pi by 45. 2 pi by 90 cancel. 2 pi by 90 cancel now. 45. That is the pi by 45. Miss, I'm asking cos 45. Miss cos 4. Cos 4 answer is 1, because in the cos I have told everything is 1 up to 10. It is 1. Okay, it is 1. Okay, what will be the 10 4 then? 10 4. What about the 10 4 then? Same, pi by, okay, we know sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. So we can say this will be the 10, we can convert 4 into pi by 180, and that becomes, here we can write how much? 10 pi by 45, but we know this is already in the radian, we have converted. So this value becomes pi by 45, okay? Done? Okay. What you will say about this value then? What do you say about this value then? Sine, okay. Suppose 9 degree, sine 9 degree. What is the answer for sine 9 degree? Last question on this series. Tomorrow you have exam. Tomorrow, yes, what you want? You want examination? Tomorrow, whatever we have learned? Assessment examination, we can say, okay, whatever we have learned, okay, these examination is just assessment. Whether whatever we learn, we know or we don't know, or we forgot, okay. Means first day we learned, we deleted. Second day we stored the information. Okay, next third day we deleted previous day information, only third day we retain. It should not be like this. You need to remember so much information. You know what is the difference between being a doctor and being an engineer? Means engineers don't have to remember so much things. They don't have to remember so much things. They should be analytical. They have to analyze that, okay, if this is the situation, then what will happen? If this is happening, then what will happen? If this is, then what will happen? Like if computer engineer is there, then okay, you might have seen computer language C. I think some of you might have seen. If, else, okay, yes, like this we use the statement. And any of the engineer, okay, they need to be analytical. They have to find the problem oriented. Yes, C plus Java, whatever, okay. But doctors have to retain this much information. Okay, they will not open the book, okay, that, okay, this type of, okay, this is the disease, now which one I have to write. Not like this. They have to keep everything here. So much information you have to keep here. That's why, okay, you are going to read this much books. People are having here fear of physics, and later on they say, oh, this much books I can say, or this much, okay, or means there is, it will not come here, okay, I can say like this. And everything should be here only. Sir, I'm not saying, okay, I'm saying the reality, okay. Big, okay, great doctors, okay, how like this? Have you seen that whenever you say advocates or that, okay, that big one, okay, great one, okay, then they have that so many books are there. Actually, they read, okay, they are not just purchasing and then keeping that, okay, people will be coming and then they will say, yes, you, okay, these many books you, okay. I'm not scaring, I'm telling the reality. Otherwise, what happens, generally parents say that pass 10th class, then later on you will enjoy. When you will come into 11th class, they will say, okay, just pass your NEET, then you will enjoy. You will enjoy your life, it depends on you. But hard work we have to do throughout the life. Okay, your parents are still doing the hard work. Even if they are, okay, they are in very good position, still they are doing the hard work. What do you think? We are not doing the hard work? From morning to night. Okay, somewhere this class, then here class, then here class, then this assignment, then this paper. Okay, hard work is going on. But what do you think? Most of the time you have seen that we are enjoying. Okay, most of the time I am laughing, I am chilling all the time. So you have to enjoy your work. This is the thing. You have to enjoy your studies. Once you learn this thing, that how to enjoy with the study, that you will not feel bored. You will never be bored with that thing. You need to enjoy. If you become very great surgeon, suppose great surgeon I am saying, then how many surgery you will perform even you cannot think. People will call from different parts of the country, that here you are having, in Hyderabad you are having, then in Delhi you are having, in Chennai you are having, then here you are having. So even you will be getting time for the rest also, time to eat also. But you will not be stressed. You will not be stressed. You will enjoy. While traveling, you will sleep. When you will be on the flight, you will sleep. While traveling, you will eat. That will be the, okay, but you will enjoy the things. Because you will feel, yes, I am saving the life of a lot of people. if you become the great surgeon. But if you become, okay, some normal college and then like this, okay, then no one is going to ask you. So remember this fact, okay, that we are going to enjoy. Okay, you have to enjoy today. From today onwards, each moment we have to enjoy. But we cannot wait that, okay, we'll enjoy tomorrow, we'll enjoy tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. What we have to enjoy? We have to enjoy our work. Whatever we are doing, we need to enjoy. You have to enjoy your studies. Once you learn this thing, you have to enjoy these questions. Anyone who is learning, then it will be easier for you. Sine 9 degree, we can say. Everyone have given, I think, an answer here. So examination, what I'm saying, we are planning to keep tomorrow. It will be better. What do you say? Evening time or morning time examination? Evening, but will be better. Okay. A morning. Okay, we'll see. Okay, message will be sent to you. Okay, because then I need to make paper also no, for this. So we can say sine 9 degree, and we can say 9 into here pi by 180. What type of paper you want? Easy or tough? What do you want? Yes. Listen. You should say, sir, ask anything. Because if I ask from a small angle any value, you will not be able to solve. You can say, sir, ask anything. Because whatever we have learned, if you ask from that, we can do. Cos 4 in radian. Array, this one, for the cos 4, no need. For the cos, no need to convert. Cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, cos 4 degree, up to 10 degree, cos is 1. For the cos, there is no conversion required. For the cos, there is no conversion required. Clear? Only you need to convert for sine and tan, because sine theta equal to theta and tan theta equal to theta, but theta should be in radian. Okay? Clear? Yes. So which type of questions will come? Few words about examination. Whatever I have told you, like here I'm saying angles. So those angles, which one we can find? Okay, I cannot ask here 29 degree. I cannot ask 28 degree. Got this point? Whatever angles we can find, I will ask only those angles. Any random angle I cannot ask. For that one, we need to use trigonometry. One table is there. Okay, from that table we can find. But table, I have not told how to use, and you don't have table also right now. Okay, so that thing cannot be asked. Only those which you can solve and can be solved, that only I will ask here. Okay. Now, if I ask ASTC questions, of course we can do. Okay. If I ask sine A plus B related questions, of course we can do. If I ask formula, we can do. Theta equal to arc by radius. Theta equal to arc by radius. If I ask questions, can we do? Theta equal to arc by radius? Yes. If I say, write one question. A tower of height 20 meter subtends MCQ. Okay, tick. Just you have to tick. Or you are in the online, so you have to just tick like this. You have to do. Okay, but negative marking will be there. Okay, negative marking will be there. For each question, -5. Each wrong question, -5. Each wrong question, -5. Correct question, +4. Correct +4 and wrong -5. Now you are thinking, sir, wrong -5 not possible. Wrong is -1 everywhere. You cannot change the rule. Listen, actually it is the -1 only. But okay, when you are solving any question, okay, you are giving some time to that question. You are spending your time. You are giving some effort to that question. So ultimately that time is lost, because already I said your game is all about the timing. So that time is lost. So 4 marks that lost, because we lost the question, and one more negative came. So total becomes -5. Yes, that is the thing. Okay. Tower of height 20 meters subtends. Sir, handwriting not understanding. I'm writing, okay, in that language only, okay. Inspired by so many doctors, because each year, okay, so many doctors are, yes. Vector based, Aris, whatever I have told, only that will come. Theta equal to arc by radius, I said, whatever in the trigonometry, only that thing will come. Tower subtends, tower of height, this is the height written here, I can, okay. 20 meters subtends, angle of 1 degree at eyes of observer. Find distance of tower. Okay, find distance of tower. Again, same questions that I had told in the first class. I am asking for the, okay, yes, explain these type of questions. What I can see here, listen, this is the tower here, and this is subtending basically how much angle? What is the angle here? 1 degree. If 1 degree is there, can I write theta equal to arc by radius also? Because you know sine theta equal to arc by radius. Any problem in this one? This one is your 20 meter, and this one we can say here it is the your d. So you can say that here we can write in this one your tan theta. So we can write tan theta equal to what? Theta. But you know theta should be in radian. But if I say arc by radius, can I say this one arc? If angle is just okay here, can I say this one arc also? Yes. So we can write now in this one theta equal to, that is the 20 divided by how much? 20 by d. Okay, we can write this one equal to 20 by d. Okay, this is small d by capital D. But this theta should be in minute or radian. This should be in radian. Okay. Always when we are using tan theta equal to theta, we can say tan theta equal to perpendicular by base or arc by radius. Theta should be radian. Okay. So now we can say radian, 1 degree in the radian will be equal to, we can say pi by 180, 1 into pi by 180. So we can write, okay, 1 into pi by 180 should be equal to, we can write 20 by d. So capital D we can write here in this one, how much? 3600 divided by pi. Pi value we can put. Okay, almost you got answer also. 1145. Okay, 1145, 46 something, that is the answer. Over 1145, 46, 44, whatever you are saying. Okay, that is correct. Okay, nearest value we can see approximately. Can we do one more question? Yes. Tan theta, I can say here, listen, tan theta equal to, this is the theta here, tan theta equal to perpendicular by base, but angle is small, so I get tan theta equal to theta, but theta should be in radian. Okay, perpendicular by base. Can you do one more question in this one? Because these things I told in the first class we have done. So those who are absent there, they might be having problem. You can ask. If you have any problem in this one, you can ask. Then I will go for next question. Because I will ask so many questions like this, because this is used in a lot of chapters. Will use this theta equal to arc by radius. We did some questions there. Some questions again we are writing. Then I will go for the trigonometric graph also. Over. Finished. Anyone having doubt? No doubts. Tell me once again what I am saying. Tan theta is perpendicular. This is the triangle here. Perpendicular by base. Tan theta. Okay. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Everyone knows 20 divided by d. Tan theta will be 20 by d. Tan theta equal to 20 by d. But we know tan theta is equal to theta. When it is equal to theta, when it is less than 10. Less than 10. Then only we can write tan theta equal to theta. So we can say theta in radians. So we can write here. And this is the 1 degree. So 1 degree in the radian, pi 1 into pi by 180. So I can put here and then okay. One more question I'm saying here. They are giving here in this one that this is the okay your tower, and a person is observing from this height, and this one we can give you here, and subtending angle of suppose here we can say 3 degree and they have given that this is the 540 meter. They're asking what are the means height of this. This can be tree or this can be tower or this can be anything you need to find. Okay, you need to find. This can be tree, this can be anything. Okay, you need to find for this. Tell fast. You got answer? Tell me approximated value. Approximated value means you can put the value of pi also. Okay, by putting the value of pi you can say 9 pi is the answer. Okay, 28.26. okay, approximated. We can say here tan theta I will write equal to what? Perpendicular divided by base. Okay, h by 540 I will write h by 540. Anyone having doubt in this one? Tan theta is nothing but the h by 540 perpendicular by base. But you know here given angle is very small. And if it is a very small angle, it is a 3 degree. I said I can take up to 10 degree as a small. So we can write this one into, first of all, radian. Okay, we can write tan theta equal to theta equal to h by 540, but this theta must be in radian, don't forget. And we can convert this one as 3 into pi by 180. And you can say this becomes how much? Pi by 60 actually, pi by 60 radian. Okay, so we can say pi divided by 60 equal to h by 540, and you can say this becomes how much? 9 times, so h becomes 9 pi. Can we solve? Recording is already there. It is recorded. Don't worry, it will be there. Okay, this question, anyone having problem? One more question can I give you? Now on this pattern, you know that distance angle will be given to you. 3 things are there. What are 3 things? You can say, sir, theta is there. This height is there. Sometimes I can say this height h, or I can say d, h by capital D, or I can say small d by capital D. Out of 3 things, 2 things will be given to you and 1 thing will be asked. 1 thing will be asked. Can we do any question on this? Okay. Now I'm giving one more question. Okay. These questions already you have done in the height and distances. That was there, height and distances. It was there, na? If you get time, I'm saying, okay, if you get time and you are somewhat comfortable in that chapter, height and distances was there in the trigonometry. If you are comfortable, and then those questions you can solve. Okay, application of trigonometry. If you are comfortable, I'm not saying that take the load and then solve. Okay, if you are comfortable, then you can solve some of the questions, because sometimes I will say that okay, exam we will conduct, don't worry. Okay, I can say like this. Then when a person was here, angle was 1 degree. At this position, angle was how much? 1 degree. Then person moves by x distance, then angle was how much? 2 degree. Okay, 2 degree. Like this questions I can ask. Will you do these questions? But in exam I will not ask. Okay. This is the previous. You can take the screenshot. Yes. Take fast over. These type of questions are there in the height and distances. Okay. But I can take only these questions once we are confident in applying one angle, theta equal to arc by radius. We can solve simple questions, then we can go for these questions also later on. Okay, so those who feel that yes, we are confident, you can try those questions. The 10th class is there, na? In the free time. Okay, I'm not saying that for tomorrow examination. In free time, whenever you are free now, listen, this class, because trigonometry I will finish, and maybe for the differentiation, because in physics we'll be having 2 teachers. Okay, parallelly okay, 2 teachers will be there in the physics, and the chemistry 2 teachers will be there, or 3. Okay, 2 or 3 like this. Okay, so maybe after me, okay, Akhilesh sir will come. Okay, yes, both will come. Okay, yes, No, both will be coming. So what I'm saying here that when you will be free, you can try some of the questions. Clear? Some of the questions we can try from that chapter. Then if you are confident, then only try. Okay, otherwise, because I already said we have to use this much. You have done only this thing we need, and in this much a small thing you have to be confident. You are if you are confident in this, very, very good. But if you are confident in whole 10th class mathematics, it is very, very good. Means, okay, almost we can say excellent, best thing if you are confident in that. Okay, so you will try. Question I'm giving here that this is the suppose one they are saying a star subtends angle of I can give you 1200 seconds at eyes of observer. Find diameter of if distance h if distance h, I can give you here in this one. Or simple value I can give you much better. If distance h 10 power 16 meter. Simple. 10 power 16 meter. 1200 seconds. Angle is given in seconds. This is the problem. I have told you in the last class also, before that also, that first second you will convert into minute. Then minute you will go into the minute, you will convert into the degree. Then degree you have to convert into the. Pawan given the answer here, and Pawan is saying that it is the 10 power 6 by 540 pi. 10 power 6 by 540 pi. Yes. 10 power 6. I think somewhere 10 power 16. Yes, 10 power 16 by 540. Maybe this is correct because Mahima is also saying same answer. Jonah also saying same answer, but Jonah pi is missing here. Vishwasai is also saying, but you are not given about the pi. Okay, pi you are putting the values approximately. Vishwasai, I think your answer is not matching with other. Pi by 540. You have not considered here 10 power 16 I have given 10 power 16. Listen, we can write here in this one that we can write this is the suppose your star here, okay, and this is the observer here. So we can say this is subtending how much angle here in this one? Very small angle, 1200 second. You can say suppose 1200 first of all we need to convert into minute. Okay, how we can convert into minute? By dividing with 60, because we know that your 1 minute is actually 60 seconds. Okay, so we will write here 1200 divided by 60. It becomes how much? Probably 20 minutes, I think. I'm correct. 20 minutes, na? Yes. Now 20 minutes we need to convert into your, we know that 1 degree is basically equal to 60 minutes. This conversion we have to keep. So I can say here in this one that this is basically 20. So 20 divided by 60. Minute is how much? Degrees. We can write 1 by 3 degree. This conversion is clear here, because if this conversion is clear, then only I can solve the question correctly. Tell me anyone having doubt in the conversion seconds to minute and minute to degree. This is the tough part of the question. Once this part is clear, everything is easy for you. Yes. Ask in which conversion doubt is there, you can say, okay, seconds to minute or minute to degree. Clear, very good. Okay, clear. If it is clear, okay, you are saying clear, very, very good. Now, so we can write here in this one, I can write 1 by 3 degree. Now I can write into radian, pi by 180. You can see 3 conversions we are doing. We are doing 3 conversions. Okay. Now we can say finally it becomes your pi by 540. Okay. But this last conversion is easier because we have done so many times. But seconds to minute and minute to degree. Few, okay, only in few questions we have done. So now I can write here theta equal to, we can say here in this one, this is your theta. So we can say tan theta equal to, this is the, suppose your diameter small d, and this is the distance d. So we can say tan theta equal to d by d, or when angle is small, we can write arc by radius also. So we can write here in this one, the theta equal to directly we can write d divided by capital D. Okay. Theta we can say here, this is the how much here? Already we got, I will take this value, this is the radian here. So 5 by 540, I mean, so pi by 540. So pi by 540 equal to, a small d we need to find, that is the capital D 10 power 16. So you got the answer here, D equal to 10 power 16 pi by 540. Now, we can solve later on if required, otherwise we can keep as it is. Okay, we can keep as it is. Clear? If required, we can solve, otherwise we can keep as it is. Any problem? Over? Finished? Will you ask it as, I may ask tomorrow, okay? But I will not ask calculation. Listen, one more thing is there. I will not be giving very, very lengthy calculation. I'm always against the calculations. I will be giving some calculations so we can calculate easily, okay? Not very lengthy like this, that in each question you are taking 5 minutes. I just want to check your, whatever you have learned, this assessment. So assessment of concept, not the assessment of calculation, because I know calculations you can do. Yes, where is the doubt in this one? From theta, okay? Listen, I can say here in this one that I can write tan theta here. You can say like this also. Tan theta equal to how much I can write? D by D, okay? A small d by d. But theta is small, na? Theta is small. Theta is 1200 second. 1200 second is very, very small. Seconds very small unit. Minute very small unit. We converted, if you find here, we got 1 by 3 degree. What do you say 1 by 3 degree? 1 by 3 degree is very, very small. And if very, very small, then we can say tan theta is what? Theta. So theta equal to how much? D by D. Okay, theta equal to, I can say D by D. So I can say theta equal to D by D. Then theta, I have to put this value of theta in radian. That's why first of all, it was given in seconds. I cannot directly put in second. Okay, Serene, I have to convert this one first of all into minute by dividing with 60. Then we can write, then I will divide with 60, so I'll get in the degree. And degree we know we can convert into radian directly. That is your pi by 180. So pi by 540 we can write, and then we can write pi by 540. The small d they are asking, they have given capital D. The distance, find diameter if star, okay? Find diameter if, okay? Distance of star is, okay? Distance of star is, they have given distance of star, okay? Find diameter of a star if distance is, distance they have given, distance of a star is how much? This is the capital D. So we can say capital D. Over. Yes, Serene. Can we do next question? Because now I need to go for graph. 1 or 2 questions, then I have to finish, and then we need to go for graph. Clear? One more you will do? One more? Okay. Find angle subtended by a tower of height 20 meter at a distance of 1 kilometer. Okay, now they're asking, this is the, I'm asking here angle. This one we will use in the your telescope. Okay, I will say in the telescope, basically here we will observe one tower is there or something is there. Okay, and then we need to find first of all this angle. This angle we will define in the physics as visual angle, but right now I'm not giving any name to this one, just angle. Angle subtended by a tower of height. This is the your tower here, and this height of the tower they have given here how much? 20 meter. And then okay, this distance is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Okay, so give me this angle here and give me this angle in the degree. Give me in the degree, because they will be giving the option in the degree. They can give in the degree also, in the radian also. In radian, everyone got correct. Everyone got correct in the radian. Everyone got correct in the radian. That is the 1 by. Okay, 1 by 50 na? Okay, so we can write here this theta, tan theta equal to, I will write, what do you write tan theta? Tell me, tan theta equal to how much? Perpendicular divided by base. Okay, 21 kilometer, basically we can write this is in meters, so this should be in meter. Me samajh 1000 meter. Are clear now? We need to now increase the speed a little bit. So we can say 20 divided by 1000 here, and now we can write here 1010 cancel. So this is the 1 by 50 here. So tan theta we got 150. But we can say that here in this one, we can write like this also. Tan theta equal to how much? Theta. So theta equal to 1 by 50 radian. Okay. Tan theta equal to theta if angle is small. You know 1 by 50 is quite small. Yes. What we can write here, we can convert. So how we can convert 1 by 50 into 180 by pi you have to do. 180 by pi. Or you remember now, approximately we can solve, so 18 by 5 pi. Yes. Okay. 18 by 5 pi. Almost value will be close to how many degrees? And how many degree you will get value close to? If you remember somewhere I have told you 1 radian close to, what is the 1 radian if I ask? 1 radian close to how much? 57 degrees somewhere I told. So we can say, sir, you can write like this also, that wherever radian is coming now, we can say, sir, 1 by 50 into 57 degree. This will be the rough value. This is the approximated answer. Can I say this one also, 1 by 50 into 57? Because 1 radian is what? 1 radian is always 57 degree approximately. So we can say 1 by 50 into 57 degree. Same answer you will get if you put also value of pi and all the things. You will always do, you can do like this. Okay. One more. I think in this doubt is there? Doubt? There is any doubt in this? Ask freely if you have doubt. No doubts. Okay. Radian is smaller than degree, then how it can be, sir? What I told you. 2 pi radian is 360 degree. 2 pi radian in the circle. In circle, 2 pi radian is 360 degree. Gautam, think a little bit. 2 pi radian is 360 degree. In a circle, you remember? In full oscillation, I said, yes, I will say once more, okay? Once more. Someone is asking. I will erase this. Listen. I will say once more. See this question. We can say here in this one, theta is basically equal to tan theta. I can write. We know tan theta equal to theta also because angle is small. Why angle is small? How I got to know? You can say that 20 divided by 1000. Of course, it will be small. Otherwise, you will find when perpendicular divided by 1000, you will find, yes, this is going to be 1 by 50. And of course, 1 by 50 is very small. So we can say theta is basically equal to 1 by 50, but 1 by 50 is in radian. Theta 1 by 50, but in radian. Okay. And I have told to you that if degree to radian, okay, degree and radian conversion I have written earlier. The degree to radian you will multiply with pi by 180. And if you are radian to degree, then you will multiply with 180 by pi. This thing so many times I have written. And I said, in the first class we started, I said, this is the most important conversion that we need to keep. Most important conversion, you are not able to remember. First class, I said that at least we can remember this thing. in the first class I said that we don't have to go for the big mathematics. We have to just go for the basic mathematics. That's why we have given this name, this chapter name also as basic mathematics. Basic things we need to remember, that yes, here to here pi by 180, here 180 by pi. So yes, 1 by 50. Okay, we want radian to degree. I want radian to degree. Is how much? 180 by pi. 0 cancel. So we can say how much? 18 by 5 pi. Okay, you can put the value of pi, that is the 3.14. So 18 divided by 5 into 3.14. You can say this is almost 15 and 18 by 15. What will be almost 18 by 15? We can solve. Okay. Otherwise, I'm giving one option here that you know 1 radian is almost equal to 57. And if 1 radian is almost 57, so we can directly write 150 and 1 radian. Here we can write 57. Little bit clear? I'm not asking 100% clear. I'm asking a little bit clear at least. Because then we'll solve some more questions slowly. Okay, you will get all the things. Okay, just one very good. If you got the correct answer, later on we can solve. Okay. Bandi Narendra, where doubt? You need to be specific. Somewhere confused. Where confused? You will go to the doctor. You are going to become the doctor, and you will say that someone will come, sir, I'm little bit confused that I'm having headache. Of course, you will not be able to. Okay, I'm having a pain here. So you need to specify. Then I will take next question. Ready? This angle subtended is known as what angle? Angle subtended is known as visual angle. Clear? Angle subtended is known as visual angle. Any doubt? That we will write later on. Okay, but now I can say visual angle also. Okay, visual angle means angle subtended. Okay, done now. Next question or this question only? This question only we can keep here, or next question we can move. Done. Okay, done. But I'm asking from Bandi Narendra. Yes. Tell fast. Can I take next one? Or here only I have to stay? Okay. So we can go for next, because everyone is saying now next here. Question is again here. Okay. Find visual angle. Okay. Can I say visual angle also? Visual angle means what? Angle subtended. Any problem in this one? Means angle I'm asking. Visual angle. Any, okay. Angle subtended. Simple. Okay. Visual angle means nothing but the angle subtended. We will use this one. Okay. By a tower of height 44 meter at a distance of 700 meter. At a distance of 700 meter. Okay. By a tower of height 44 meter at a, or I can write here 1400 meter, better 1400 meter. Okay. 44 meter at the distance of 1400 meter. Now you need to find the visual angle, means basically angle subtended, and make it fast. You are taking so much time. I'm not able to start here. This is the last question. I will keep this one as the last. Then you have to do practice. Answer is first. Tell me in the okay, in the degree you will tell degree 1.8, 3.6, 9 by 10. 4 options are received. Exam will be having 4 options only. Someone is saying 66 by 35, 1.8, 4. I think for you we have to request NTA to change, to give more than 4 options, because here everyone is getting different answer now. 1.79, 180 by 35, 3.39. I think till now almost 10 options completed. 1.79, 0.03, 1.79. So many people said nearly 1.8, nearly 1.8. Okay, 3.6. Now I'm confused. This question becomes so tough that we are getting, this is the 1400. Okay, maybe okay, I will again cross check with the values. 44 meter and 14. Okay, 1400 and 44 meter. Angle you need to find 1.8 correct, sir. Okay, with confidence Siva is saying that 1.8 correct. Okay, 1.8 only. Okay, 1.8 only. Yes, good. People are saying yes, 1.8 only. Nearly I'm asking. Okay, I never ask exact. If they ask exact, then you will do exact calculation. Otherwise, we'll do most of the time nearly calculation. Okay, approximately calculation we will do. So we can say tan theta equal to, that will be the your 44 perpendicular divided by 1400. Okay, we will do like this. Okay, 44 divided by 1400 here. Okay, you can say this value comes, of course, very less or large. Of course, this value is very, very less. Okay, so we can say theta equal to, this becomes 44 divided by, okay, I can cancel also, so that becomes here, we can write in this one using, okay, cancellation with 2, so 22 divided by 700. Okay, but this is in radian. Okay, in radian. Any problem here? Whenever we are using a theta equal to arc by radius, or this one, it is in radian. Tan theta equal to theta, it should be in radian. This radian you need to convert. This radian you have to convert. How we can convert? We can say 22 by 700. And for the radian to degree is what? Radian to degree, 180 by pi or pi by 180? Radian to degree, I want a degree. Then what? 180 by pi? Yes, 180 by pi. Some people have done, I think, mistake here in this one. 180 by pi. What is the pi? Basically, you can say pi is always 22 by 7. So 22 divided by 700 into, we can say 180. Pi we can take now 22 by 7. You can say, sir, pi is 3.14. Pi is 3.14. But here you can feel that yes, 22 and 7, if I use calculation, will be much better. Much easier calculation. So why I will use 3.14? We can say 22 cancelled here. This will be how much here? 100. 10 will be cancelled. So we can say 18 by 10, and that becomes 1.8. And where is the huge calculation in this one? 1.8 degree. There is a huge calculation in this. I'm not finding anywhere huge calculation. Over. Completed. $22 by 700. That is the theta. When you write theta equal to arc by radius, it is always radian. Yes, when we write theta equal to arc by radius, remember this, it will be always radian. Okay. Why you took tan theta as theta here? This angle is small. I have told you earlier, for small angles, sine theta equal to theta, tan theta equal to theta. Up to 10 degree we can take. Up to 10 degree I can take cos value 1, sine theta equal to tan theta equal to theta. How did we get 7 by 22? Where 7 by 22? 7 by 22, that is the value of pi. Value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7. This value I am putting 22 by 7. See here, I am putting this value of pi here. This one. 22 by 7 here in this one. Charan. No, not Charan. NB and Aditya. Yes, you got clear? 22 by 7. And Charan was asking how this angle is small. Very, very good. Okay, you missed the train actually. Okay, you came very late to catch the train. Now train is going to reach the destination within 10 minutes. Okay, can we go for next? Ready for next? Ready for next station? Already we have crossed so many stations. Now we are going for the last, last station, and yes, now. So we can say here in this one, right, in this one, trigonometric graph, okay, or we can write graph for sine and cos. You can write graph, and in this one mainly I'm writing for sine and cos. Okay, we'll go for others also, but today target is only for sine and cos, because sine and cos we have to use multiple times. Ready? If I ask what is the value of sine 0? Sine 0 value, tell me sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Very good. Sine 90 is sine 90 is 1. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sine 180 is 180. Now you have to think, but you can tell. I'm sure. 180 is, yes, 0. Very good. Okay, you remembered. What do you will say? Sine 270. Sine 270. 270. Sine 270. Please find using the HTC. Okay. Don't say randomly anything. 270. Please find. Yes. We can right now, we can find minus 1. Yes, minus 1. Okay. Those who are doubt, they can find. Otherwise, you can ask. I will tell. Minus 1. Okay. Tell me sine 360. Sine 360. Sine 360. 0. Okay. Now using these value, how you are plotting the graph. Okay. I think already that chapter was there, graph chapter, how we were plotting. We were making, we were having some values, and based on the values we were plotting. Okay. Means we were having x-axis as well as y-axis. Here I can say we were having x and y-axis, and based on that we were plotting the, okay, our graph. Okay. You might have, it was there, I think, the plotting of graph, x and y. Have you plotted that graph? One book was also there, graph copy was there. Okay, in that one you have plotted. Okay, so this axis I can say h, this one I can say what? X, na? And here I can say y. Okay, here I can say y. So in this axis I am plotting your theta. Here I am putting the values of, okay, and here I can say this is the y. Okay, and here y I am saying this is the sine theta. Okay, sine theta. Okay, here I am saying y, and here I am putting your theta. Okay, graph also will come for tomorrow examination. Yes, it will come, but graph you will be comfortable in the within 10 minutes you will be able to solve all the graphs. Okay, now I can say here I am having this is the 0. Okay, 0. Here I can say this is the your 90 degree. This one is the 180 degree. This one we can say how much? 270 degree. Then we can say this one is what? 360 degree. Any problem here? You can say, sir, between 0 to 90 also angle comes. Yeah, 0 to 90 angle comes. Yes, 0 to 90 angle comes, but I am not writing. Okay. If I ask in this one, what is the maximum value of sine out of this? Maximum value of sine. What is the maximum value of sine? 1. What is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? Minimum is 0 or minus 1. What do you say? Minimum. Minus 1, you can see here minus 1 is there. Means if I ask sine, then we can say sine value can be, okay, sine theta can be from a minus 1 to plus 1. Yes. Minus 1 to plus 1 is there. Okay. Here, range will be minus 1 to plus 1. At 0, if I ask here, can you tell me at 0? At 0, I can say sine 0 is 0. But sine 90, I can say this is the maximum going at 2 plus 1, and then lower side it is going up to minus 1. Means your sine can go plus 1 and between minus 1. Sine will keep on, okay, keep on changing from plus 1 to minus 1. Sine will keep on changing from minus 1 to plus 1. At 0, what is the value? 0. At 90 degree, what is the value? At 90 degree, what is the value? Sine 90 is 1. We can say sine 90 is plus 1. We will put 1. point here. Sine 180, you can say sine 180, see from there, it is the 0. So we can say here, we can put 1 point, because we have to put some point and then we will join. Then we can say sine 270. 270 is basically your minus 1, and then 360 is 0. Now we will join these points. I have to take some more points, but I'm not taking, and we get a graph like this. Okay. So can we remember this is the graph of sine? Graph of sine is like this. In form of wave, yes, wave type. One time I'm telling the plotting, but later on we need to remember that this is the base, okay, wave pattern, okay. Sine 0, 0, sine 90 is what? You can say sine 90 is what? Plus 1, sine 90 is plus 1 here. Sine 180 is what? 1 point here, okay. I can give the name as A, B, C, D, E, okay, 0. Sine 270 is what? 270 is minus 1, okay. Then 360 is 0. After that, you know that after 360, same thing, because you know that this is there. 360 means one oscillation completed. After one oscillation, what will happen? If one oscillation completed, then after 360, another oscillation. So same graph will be repeated now, okay. Same graph will be again coming, okay. Same graph will be again coming. So now we can say after 360, again similar pattern will keep on repeating, and this will keep on going up to, because angle can be anything, okay. Angle can be up to any values. Clear? So sine will start from 0 or will start from maximum value. Sine will start from 0 or will start from maximum value. Sine will start from 0. Okay? Will start from 0. Okay? We can say now graph of sine. How you will remember? We have to remember that, okay, whenever I say graph of sine, you will say, sir, graph of sine is like this. You can keep on going, okay? In form of wave, okay? Maximum value we can see here in this one, that is the plus 1, and minus minimum value is what? Minus 1, okay? And it will keep on oscillating, keep on changing between what? Keep on changing between, tell me fast, keep on changing between plus 1 to minus 1, okay? Plus 1 to minus 1, this is the graph of sine. And how you will identify that this is your form of wave pattern, okay? Wave pattern. And in the wave chapter, or whenever we can say oscillating, okay? It is basically oscillating like this, okay? Now you can say, sir, why these are important for us? When you will have ECG pattern, okay? In that ECG to read the actual ECG, you have this knowledge of waveform. If you don't have knowledge of waveform, then only you will mug up and you will, okay, that if ECG like this, then this is there. If like this, then this is there. You will not be able to use your own brain in that one, whenever that waveforms will be there. So we can understand the type of waveform. Clear? Can we understand sine type, sinusoidal function? Sine type like this. Okay. This is the sine. You can easily remember, okay, in the public also you can do, okay, like this, okay. When you are going in the party also you can say yes. You don't know the dance, you can just use this one. This is the sine graph also, as well as the dance also. Sine graph, very important. Most important graph is sine. Then comes cos, okay. In cos, if I ask here, okay, this was the sine. In cos, if I ask, cos is, when sine is 0, cos will be maximum. Cos will start from maximum. Cos will start from maximum. I will tell how questions will be asked. Okay, don't worry. Cos graph first I will tell. Yes. So now I will tell for cos. If I write what is the cos 0? Tell me first cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos, cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is, cos 90 is 0. Cos 180, tell me fast. Cos 180 is minus 1. Okay. Now we can say cos 270 is what? 270 is 0. Okay. Cos 360 is 1 again. Okay. And after 360, same pattern will be repeated. So now we can say here like this. Okay, this one, and I can say that this is the your y equal to here cos theta, and here we are putting theta, and maximum value we can say +1, minimum value is -1 here, and then we can say this is 0. This angle we can write here 90 degree, this one we can write here 180 degree, and this one we can write here 270 degree, and this one will be finally 360 degree. Tell me fast, what are the cos 0? Cos 0 is 0 or 1? Cos 0 is not 0, cos 0 is 1. So we can say this one, if you will point here, that this value is basically here your 1. Means this graph is going to start from 0. This graph is start from 0, or this will start from maximum. This will start from 0 or maximum value. Yes, this will start from maximum value of 1. Now we can say cos 90 is 0. Second point we got cos 90 is 0. Third point is the 180, and here we can say 180 in this case is how much here? -1. We got third point also. Fourth point we can say that we can write here 270 is 0 and 360 is again 1. So we can say maximum. Now same pattern is there, but it becomes like this, okay? Like the same pattern. Only difference between sine and cos is, okay? And after that, what will happen? That same graph will be repeated, okay? Similar graph will be repeated like this. So sine and cos are exactly same, okay? Means because they will keep on continue. Here I have drawn this was the graph of sine. If I say similarly here, okay, in this one only if I put the graph of cos, then only difference in the cos will be there. That cos starts from mean or extreme. Cos starts from extreme value, maximum value, okay? Cos starts from maximum value like this, and then it will keep on going, okay? Keep on going. So what are the difference in the sine and cos? Graphs are not only this, up to this graph is not only limited up to this. Graph will keep on moving, continue graph is there, okay? Means we can say here in the next, I can write better one, that cos graph will start from the maximum, will keep on oscillating between +1 and -1. This is the similarity here, and will start from the highest point, y equal to cos theta, I can say will start from highest point here, and then will keep going like this, okay? And then it will keep on oscillating this way, okay? And it will keep on going. So now can we remember sine and cos here? Can we remember sine and cos? Sine and cos, I have told, just sine and cos we need to remember. Sine starts from 0 and cos starts from max, okay? Yes. Sir, in exam, how questions? Yes, I'm telling now questions, okay? First, we got clarity, how sine and cos we will plot. How we are plotting later on does not matter. We have to remember sine is starting from 0, cos is starting from 1, okay? Question will be like this. Question will be like this, that y equal to, okay, y equal to sine t. Y equal to sine t. What will be the graph of this one? They will say in a wave or in oscillation, I can say y equal to sine t. What will be the nature of the graph? Options will be like this. Options are like this here, okay? Options I can give you like this. You have to tell me which one is correct here in this one. A, B is given here in this one. C is given here. D is given here. Which one is correct? Which one is correct? Everyone knows, yes, answer is C, answer is C, okay? Like this pattern will be there, okay? You identified the pattern? I can say here that one next question number 2, x equal to sine omega t, okay? Sine omega t, you can say, sir, this is the WT, W or omega? We can say H omega. And not sine, I can write the cos here, okay? Cos omega t, okay? X equal to cos omega t. What will be the again pattern here? Okay, they have given in this one that we are having graph like this. B, we are having graph like this. C, we are having graph like this. And D, we are having graph like okay, this. Which one will be the correct answer? Answer is C. Like this questions will be asked. Can you do? Can we do? Now in this one, some more advanced versions are there in the graph. Okay, but advanced version of the graph, can we do today or later on? Of course, everything is easy. Okay, everything is easy. People don't do these things in the beginning. That's why it becomes tough. They directly jump into the physics. And when you directly jump into the physics, physics is tough. When you learn basics of little bit basic mathematics, physics is much easier. And you have to remember these things for entire 2 years. Okay, later on, okay, no problem. We'll do later on, okay? Only sine and cos I will ask, nothing more than that, okay? Not more than that, I will not ask, okay? Clear? Okay, only sine and cos. A small angle, I will ask a lot of questions, okay? From a small angle approximation, theta equal to arc by radius, I will ask. Theta equal to arc by radius, I will ask so many questions. So practice that, okay? Okay, Pawan, okay? Okay. Any other problem? Third class video not uploaded. Let me check, okay? How to check that one, okay? Yes. Completed syllabus for tomorrow examination. Listen, advanced graph we have not done in the sine and cos, only these basics one. Only up to this will be asked. Up to this assessment examination we can say. Whatever we have learned, whether we have learned perfectly or not learned perfectly, that is the thing. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Bye. 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 Enjoy.